Hey, welcome to Obsessing Over Stuff. Recently, Rahul Bhatt gave an interview with Hindi Rush, and it was such a controversial podcast. Let's discuss it. So, Rahul Bhatt is the half brother of Alia Bhatt, and in this interview, he talks about so many untouched topics unabashedly. He touches a lot of topics like his gym life, how much security is important for the celebrities, about his childhood, fitness, etc. But he has literally opened up about so many topics, which has made this interview a hot topic for discussion.
इसलिए मुझे एक तरह से ये फिल्म फिल्म वालों से बहुत घिन आता है। शी इज नॉट इवन हाफ, नॉट टैलेंट, ना तो लुक्स, ना तो सेक्सी। मेरे सगी बहन के सामने
Okay, so
पानी
if you
का
focus only on this part of the interview or these few seconds of the interview without watching the entire episode, you will judge him for being ruthless and rude towards Alia Bhatt for no reason. And yes, to some extent, it does sound a little arrogant towards Alia, but wait till you hear out the other stuff he says. Watch out the full episode. He has dared to talk about sensitive things in his life, including how he was bullied in his school and his youth because his father left him and his mother. How much he has suffered because of that. Not only that, everyone in the industry knows that Mahesh Bhatt never extended any help to Rahul Bhatt in his film career. The way he's invested in Alia Bhatt and her career, he never backed up Rahul Bhatt like that. And in this interview, he clearly states that he never had any emotional support from his father. He knew he was the only one who had to handle himself. Plus, it is courageous how openly he states that his family is dysfunctional, which we have all clearly seen, like Mahesh Bhatt giving dumb statements like he would have married Pooja Bhatt if she wasn't her daughter, and him being touchy with other actresses as well. Rahul Bhatt states that he could never connect to these filmy people. This is in fact the reality of people coming from film families. उसने अपने पॉडकास्ट में क्लियरली बोला दैट जो भी बच्चे ऐसे फिल्मी बैकग्राउंड वाली फैमिलीज से आते हैं दे आर रियली फक्ड अप इन रियल लाइफ because they have seen broken relations more, which is why he hates people from film families. He talks about his trauma, how difficult it was for him to deal with the people who were talking shit about his mother.
वो लोग नहीं, मतलब लड़के लोग मेरे टू मेक फन ऑफ माय, मतलब मेरी मम्मी का मजाक उड़ाते थे कि इसके डैडी ने इसके मम्मी को छोड़ के चला
And
गया
also,
है।
seeing so much partiality in his house that his father never supported him for anything is a big deal to address. He blatantly talks about his case, where he had been wrongly accused. उसमें भी he never got any support from his father.
बहुत हद तक जो भी नुकसान हुआ was because of my father. I was never an accused. I was a witness. Some right
But
on
to
day.
sum it all up, it's not a big deal if he doesn't consider Alia Bhatt as the greatest actress, like Karan Johar and everyone has been trying to shove down our throats. Pooja Bhatt in her prime was actually beautiful. She was extremely talented as well. See, I'm not justifying कि वो Alia Bhatt को demean करे. Maybe he shouldn't have said that Pooja is better than Alia. But look at his POV. Seeing partiality since childhood, why would he want to praise Alia Bhatt too much? He gave his opinion. उसने clearly बोला that वो अपना opinion दे रहा है that Alia is not even half of Pooja Bhatt. And I think he's entitled to speak his mind, whatever he feels, whatever his opinion is. And I really believe that he knows them better. He knows them more closely. What do we know? Maybe Pooja Bhatt has other traits which makes him feel that she has carried the legacy better. It's his personal choice, nothing else. And plus, obviously, Alia Bhatt is an amazing actress now, but nobody can deny the fact that she has unlimited support and multiple godfathers in the industry जो उसको अच्छी से अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट लाके देते हैं without any effort, जो दूसरों के रोल्स तक लाके आलिया भट्ट को देते हैं. It's unfair in a way. But he also praised Alia Bhatt. ऐसा नहीं है, उससे तारीफ भी की. But yes, if you watch the full interview, you will actually love this guy for his honesty and brutal answers. Opening up about your dysfunctional family is not easy. This guy is basically traumatized by his controversial and demented father. Even in the comment section, if you see, people have appreciated him, saying that this interview was gold. It's painful seeing a man being bullied because of his father. This man has always been misunderstood. And this interview showed us how weird Bhatt family dynamics is. You can actually see and understand how difficult it must be for a person to see their father marrying someone else and give them all the privileges ever. And I think it is only because he never himself had that kind of support from his dad. He appreciates Ranbir Kapoor so much for being a great
करके
father.
बात आती है, he's a good father, he respects my step sister, and बस बाप अच्छा है, बस मैं रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ, बाप बहुत अच्छा है, अपने बच्ची से बहुत प्यार करता है और मेरे लिए उससे अच्छा और
Because
कोई
he understands
चीज
the
मैटर नहीं
importance of
करती है।
having a good father. This is one of the best podcasts I've ever seen in a long time. At least it's honest, if nothing else. Go check it out. Thank you so much, guys. That was the video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe for more. Thank you.